What's going on, Collision family? This is Chris Rimscha, uh, drummer for a 90s tribute band called Midlife Crisis. We are a band out of Enterprise, Alabama. Long ways away from y'all. Um, First things first, I play a Collision 5A. Not sure if you can see that correctly. Collision 5A. I've had no issues with these sticks at all, except for the fact that I just can't wear them out. No matter how hard I play, no matter how hard I am on them, I'm not getting wood chips, I'm not getting anything on my hi-hat stand or in my snare grooves. Absolutely nothing. Love every bit of it. I do want to thank for this little videos and these little clips that I'm going to be showing you here. I want to thank Savannah Kirkland. She is the CEO of Embrace Photography out of Alabama. Great company, great people to work with, good videos, good pictures. And I also want to thank Ken Kirkland, Val Smith, Sean Pulowski, and Nate Plants. These people hired me about a little over 4 years ago to play with this 90s tribute band, which is just a great bunch of people all together. And I don't know, I'm loving it so far. The one thing about Collision sticks, the shank of the stick, we do play some heavy rock. No matter how hard I hit these cymbals, I've played 2 shows with these. Small little dents, no wood chips, no wood piles, no firewood, no nothing coming off. The balance of the sticks is great. The support from the people at Collision Drumsticks is just out of this world. Can't compete with anybody else. Definitely love every bit of it and happy to be a part of the family, and hope to see y'all soon. Hope you enjoy the clips. See ya.
Sank into